Hi, I'm Spectre and welcome to Analog Voice. First, I'd like to say thank you for everybody who subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. I'm glad that I am bringing to you a service that is helping you out to get to your vocal goals. Also, I would like to say thank you for making my video Vocal Lesson 2019 higher on the view count, because it seems it passed 500 in a 24-hour period, and I was actually pretty surprised. So we are going to do a lesson going over the bridge, doing an exercise like this. We want to get that cricothyroid to tilt a little bit forward so those muscles tilt. Remember that up, back, soft palate. Make sure that the sound travels up and back from the soft palate into the yawn space so that there's more space for the sound to go. Also, you just want enough air to drive the voice. You don't want more air than is needed. If you push more air than is needed, what's going to happen? It's going to tighten everything up, and it's going to be difficult to hit those high notes. And the swallowing muscles will start getting involved in the singing, and you do not want this to happen. So, we will be doing an exercise like this. Mom, 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 mom. Now, go as high as you can, and if it gets too hard, just stop. If anything hurts, stop and go back to the exercise later. Nothing should hurt. The only thing you might feel is a bit of tightness here in this area, because you will be feeling the the cricothyroid muscles tilting the larynx a little bit forward, and that's it. Ready? Let's go. Mom, 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 mom. 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 Here, I want you to try to cry into the sound. Mom, 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 mom. Just a little bit. Just think cry. Don't over cry. Mom, 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 mom. Mom, 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 mom. Mom, 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 mom. And try to think of the sound up and back into the soft palate. Mom, 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 mom. Mom, 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 mom. Mom, 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 mom. Mom, mom, mom. Sorry. Mom, 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 mom. Mom, 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 mom. Really try to cry into the sound. Mom, 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 mom. Anyway, I hope this helps you out. Thank you for watching the video, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Share the channel if you have anyone who might be interested in singing, and I will see you in the next video.